Hey everyone, this is Joe with the customer experience team here at Rad Power Bikes. Today, let's talk about preventing bicycle theft. One of the important things to remember is that a cable lock by itself is not sufficient to secure your bike. These are convenient, but if somebody has a heavy-duty bolt cutter, they can cut through them very quickly. Personally, I use a ULock to secure the frame of my bike. For quick runs into the grocery store, I'll use the ULock alone. If I'm leaving my bike unattended for longer periods of time, I will run a cable through both of my wheels. The cable could be cut by a wire cutter, but adding additional steps and time can be enough to deter a would-be bike thief. In addition to ULocks, other locks that offer more protection than cable locks are folding locks and reinforced chain locks. When locking up your bike, consider what object you are securing the bike to. Inspect the object to make sure it cannot be cut or broken. It is best to park your bike in a well-lit, high-foot traffic area. Even the heaviest duty lock can be cut with power tools, so the more visibility the better. E-bikes are an investment built to last for years, so it makes sense to invest in a high-quality lock. Manufacturers will list the security rating of individual locks, allowing you to compare the levels of security to meet the needs of your area. Local bike shops are a great resource as they can provide guidance for the level of security needed in your city or area, and you can always reach out to us here at Rad Power Bikes. Ride Rad and stay tuned for the next video.